to another Seben tutorial. Today's song is Igwe, and this is a nice bass line that you can add to your playing. I chose to do a specific parts of the song where he's playing 1/4, 1/5, and I hope this video is helpful. So like I said, this song is played in 1/4, 1/5, and it's played in the key of E major. So you've got E, A, E, B. So 1, 4, 1, 5. So the song starts off like the root note, so 1, 4, 3. Then he slides. So 1, 4, 3. Remember the 3 is part of the 1. Same chord. So that's a third. So instead of doing 1, 4, 1, he does 1, 4, 3. Then he plays this. So 3, 1, 6. So So 1, 4. What did I do there? So I added another I added the 1, so 3, 1, 6, or you can do 3, 1, 6, 1. Four, 5. So what is he? He's actually playing. He's actually playing 6, 4, 6, 5. So remember, in one of my previous videos, I spoke about how sometimes they might not go to the root note in Congolese music. Sometimes they might go to the 3, sometimes they might go to the 6 instead of going to the 1. So normally someone will play 1, 1, 4, 1, 5, but he's doing this. I'll do it slowly. So add the kick. 5, 4, 5. Then he does this. So after playing this, you play the melody of the song. So what am I playing there? So remember arpeggios. Always think arpeggios. So if I slow it down, all I'm playing is so what is that? So that's the E major. So this we're playing 1. Even though we're hitting the 3rd and the 5th, we're still in the 1 because that's part of the same chord. So now you play the 4, but with the 4 we just play the 4. We don't play the whole chord. And then we're back to the 1. So 1 1 3 1 2 5 5. So that's the B major chord. So the 5. So so because our spaces, we don't play chords like that. We have to separate all the keys. So we have to play them individually, all the notes. Sorry. So instead of playing, that's what guitarists will play, but we have to play it individually. So for the next part, after you play the so what I'm playing is 3 1, but instead of going to the 4, you play this. So 2 1 2 1. I'll slow it down. So you have then 2 1 again, then again. Then the second time you can play. So it might take a while to get used to it if you're not used to the technique for Seben, but just keep practicing over and over again. Use a metronome and slow it down. So you can do or you can do if you want to make it easier. So so if I speed up, and then you play that. So so 4 4 4 3, then 4 4 3 2 5. So 4 4 3 2 5. Then 1 1. So this part he's actually playing 1 4 1 5 a bit easily. So a bit easy in an easy way. So you have then he adds this. 1 5 1 5 1 4 1 so I'm playing 1, so 1, 4, 1, 5. So it's 1, 4. So 1, 4, then 1, 1, 5, and then you add the. So I thought it would be easy to demonstrate the next part. So what am I playing there? So I'm playing after you play the 1, 4, 1, 5, like he plays so so 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, then what am I playing there? So all I'm playing is the 2, the octave. So that is the F sharp. If you don't know how to do this, watch my video on the Seben technique. So or if you're struggling, just practice this. So then you play the 2. So then you go. So same thing we were playing before. So still playing the 5. Then again. So the next part will be so. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in bass lessons, please see the details below in my description. And if you like this video, please leave a comment below and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.